Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys a easy trick that you guys can do on your YouTube channel to get more views to your videos. Alright, so this has to do with the community tab on your YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to head over there now. I'm going to go to View Channel, and then go to Community. And then here, I'm on the Community tab on my YouTube channel. The Community tab is basically a place where you can post, kind of like, it's like a Facebook news feed. So you can see that I've got posts here, different kind of posts here and there. But what I'm talking about is doing a post where you can easily post a previous video that you've already released on your channel. Now, one of the things that I do is when we release a video on our channel, a couple days later, a day later, or a couple days later, I go in here and I do a post on a video that we have, and every time I do that, it gets more views because it shows up in people's mobile really easily on their sort of YouTube feed. So I'll show you in just a second here. So it'll show up something like this in their whole YouTube feed when they first sign into YouTube on their phone. You know, they can see that a channel that they've maybe subscribed to has done a post. Like this person right here has done a poll. So I can go and vote on that because I'm subscribed to that person's channel, so I see that person's feed. Now, this is going to be beneficial for you for views because it's really easy to just post a previous video. So I'll do one right now. Did you guys check out the newest Camtasia 2019 upgrade? So on Wednesdays, I do a tutorial series about this video editing software called Camtasia, and recently they did a 2019 version upgrade, and I did a video on that. So as you can see, I just wrote my text here, and here on this button, add an existing YouTube video. You can actually add other people's videos, but you can also put your own, which is going to allow you to get more views. So this video actually came out last week. Now I'm going to click on this one, click select, and post it in, and it shows up just like that. And when I do that, I'm likely going to get more views because people who are subscribed, they're going to see it in their newsfeed. So they might not necessarily, because there are people that get subscribed, so they might not necessarily get a notification that I've released a new video. It depends if they have the bell notification on, but if they don't have the bell notification, then they're not always going to get a notification when I put out a video. But if I do a post like this, they are more likely to see it, and therefore this video will likely get more views. So now I'm going to click post. And then just like that, it just posts. It's basically like a Facebook post. And I'm doing this here on my computer desktop. And if I go to my phone and I go to community, I should see that now. Here it's posted, and it's really easy for people to see in their mobile. And, you know, a lot of people are watching YouTube through their mobile anyways. Now, I will say that in order to do this function, you have to do it on the desktop version, on the computer version. You can't do it through your mobile, because if you go on your mobile and you try to do a community post, it'll allow you some different options depending on what kind of account you have, and it'll say video, live, story, and text post. If I click on video, it's not going to give me an option to choose my previous published videos. It's actually going to give me an option to choose my videos on my phone that I've filmed which those are not the videos I want on this channel. I want like the, the edited, published videos. So just know that you can only do this one, this kind of a post, this video post here on the desktop right now. So that is an easy way to quickly get more views on your videos. Now, I had suggested this to another YouTuber friend of mine, Jerry Banfield. He was doing text, like picture posts about the video, and then I said, okay, that's good, but when the video goes out, why don't you just also do a post embedding the video and they'll see it in their kind of YouTube newsfeed? And he actually didn't know that we were able to do that, so he's now implementing that. So he's probably going to get more views on those videos as well. So that is a really easy trick that you guys can do with your community tab. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.